kum kajing ithu bajing ai burom ya ka benta ka bakordor jong ki doctor ha kajing shakri ya ka Koit ka Khiah jong ki pat ba ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm ringkat bat ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital PIMC bat ka IA Ayurvedic Medical College mentagasngi kala Rakhe ya ka National Doctor's Day 2000 rio lawan bansakhi ya kini ka program da Chancellor ka USTM Uma Bubul Hok Vice Chancellor Professor G.D. Sharma, Padma Shri Dr. Sarbeswar Sharaya, Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. A.C. Kataki, Director of Medical Administration ka USTM Dr. Jogesh Sharma, Director of Medical Education and Research ka PIMC Dr. H.K. Sharma, Principal ka PIMC Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma, nalor ki Dr. Rangba, kinong hikai bat ki Samla puli Dr. Ya kani ka program la penlong hapo ka campus jong ka USTM halor ka phang behind the mask who heals the healer ka bakran shaphang ka jingdon kam ban pet bar sumaru ya ka jing ko jing Khiah bat ka jing baha jong ki doktor ki batre shitom man ka sngi ban ai jing sumar ya ki wei kumshi benta jong ka jing Rakhe ya ka National Doctor's Day nakaliang ka USTM kala Pynkup Burom ni ki doktor bala no Synñiang shibon ha kaliang ka Koit ka Khiah bat kinong hikai ki bala no ya ka jing tre shitom ha ka pule puthi pat ba la ai ji ithu ru ki doktor ki baningkong ki bala don benta ban seng ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital bat ha ka ju ka por ka USTM kala samru ya ka Premium Health Card sha kinong tho Khubor Langba kini ki health card kinong tho Khubor kinyo e kajing sumar bat ki wei kijing shakri haka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital hakador ka baduna kum kadak jong kajing ithu ya kajing shakri jong ki shaka imlang ka salang.
Heartful tribute to Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy with the lighting of the lamp. As the silent warriors of the society, they have been working tirelessly behind mask and beyond time.
And you are with us. When people finds that someone is in trouble, people they try to leave, but still you are with us, you are helping. And I want to convey a good message today that for some technical issues last year our 150 intake of MBBS has been reduced to 100, and that a kind of mistake technical has not been done by the institution, from the government department. But before 3 days, we got this 150, this 50 seats has been reduced, also is raised up, now our MBBS intake is 150 from this academic session. So thank you very much all the doctors. It is because of your support, contribution, dedication, and I am telling you and I am giving assurance that you will be working in a medical institution here at USTM. One day you will be feeling proud. We are working relentlessly. We have lots of financial troubles, but we have taken a challenge of making a destination for healthcare facilities at USTM. I hope by next another 2-3 months you will be seeing lots of physical transformation in our infrastructure facilities. The building is coming up behind. I need not talk too much, and from last 6-7 months I personally observed that lots of transformation in the hospital administration also. Our number of patients has been increased. We have not done any marketing. It is because of our few doctors who are giving their time. We have seen 5, 6, 10 patients every day. Now it has been raised up 150, 200, 300 sometime. And our small group of team doctors, they are working relentlessly. We have another very excellent doctors. They are waiting for our new setup. And they will be, once this setup will be ready, certainly they will be joining. but you will be remain in my heart personally. I am telling you, those who are, we have a very humble facilities. We don't have too much of number of patients, and you are giving your time from morning to evening. That is something, a kind of ray of hope for me, and a kind of confidence you are giving to us, to the authority, that yes, we are with you, and this institution will one day will grow.
I request our Honorable Chancellor Sir and Vice Chancellor Sir to felicitate our. We also have Dr. Suman Singh Pusaikia from the Department of Orthopedics. Of General Medicine. General Surgery from the Department of General Surgery, Dr. Aminur Rahman. We would also next, we'd also like to felicitate Professor Dr. Dijen Chandra Doctor from the Department of Next, we would like to felicitate Dr. Narayan Chandra Sharma from the Department of Pediatrics. Next, we would like to felicitate Dr. Dilip Kumar Goswami. And also we would like to felicitate Dr. Hirennath Sir from the Department of Gynecology.